I'm not bluffing, I promise. It is Brihall and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, y'all. I know, y'all gonna get me. But I have good news, okay? I actually got selected as one of the creators for the Facebook We the Culture program. I applied last August, I wanna say, and I found out in September, and I can finally share that with y'all. So if y'all been wondering where I've been around, you know what I'm saying? I've been very busy. I'm in the process of starting a business, okay? That's on the super hush. Y'all can probably guess what kind, but it's been taking up a lot of my time, okay? I have not been twiddling my fingers, if y'all know what I'm saying. Basically, on Instagram, IGTV, and my Facebook, which just hit 106,000 followers. Go follow me on Facebook and IGTV. I be posting videos weekly, sometimes 3 times a week, sometimes every day. It really just depends on the week and how we feeling, what's going on in the world. But nonetheless, make sure y'all go follow your girl and support because it would mean the world to me. Just a little update. I know y'all like when I get right into the video, but sometimes I don't want to make an update video and the tutorial, so we're gonna combine the two. Just want to let y'all know that my new official posting day is going to be every Thursday, okay? Sometimes Mondays, but every Thursday. So make sure you're checking back here on my channel on Thursdays. I'll be scheduling out the video ahead of time because y'all know how I am. On the day of posting, if I try to get it out that same day, I'd be like being a perfectionist, trying to change things. Now that all that's said and done, we got our housekeeping out the way. Welcome back, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. Needless to say, today, this is actually a pre-filmed video. I filmed so much content for y'all. It's just that I've been wrapped up on IGTV, but now we're back. Now I could drop all this content on you. We're gonna make it rain. Make it rain the content, y'all. I'm not bluffing, I promise. I'm not bluffing, I promise. I'm going to be dropping a lot of really good content. So today, a while ago, I can't remember when, there was a video that Cardi B posted on TikTok showing how she deep conditions her natural hair and that it was a DIY treatment. So I'm gonna show the video right here. All right, y'all. So that video, I was like, wait, Cardi hair is really thriving out in these streets right now. And I know she uses some of the same methods I do, which is protective styling under wigs when you feeling lazy and you can't be bothered with your hair, which has been a lot during quarantine, if I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So we're gonna jump right into this. I decided to make an inspired version because there was one ingredient that I couldn't add exactly the same. So I made a Cardi B inspired deep conditioner. I hope y'all enjoy, and I will be back with my thoughts, my feedback. I ended up trying this mask actually a few times after the first time, but I did take notes because, as I said, this was pre-filmed. But my initial thoughts, at first I was a little nervous because it did like dry down a little, like not crispy, it stayed damp, but it was a little like stiff. But as soon as I started rinsing this mask out, y'all, my hair felt like butter. Not gonna lie, like I have to use heat to deep condition my hair, which is why sometimes I will opt out of putting an egg in my deep conditioner, because heat is a big part of my deep conditioning with low porosity hair. I can't really avoid it unless it's a protein treatment. So I'm gonna try again with the egg. I know I used to do that when I was little, but I think for protein, I'm still gonna just stick with the traditional Apogee two-step. It's tried and true. It works. It does what it needs to do. It shows up for me. You feel me? But this deep conditioner minus the egg, fantastic for me personally. It really was great. Honestly, before blow drying, I was really shocked at how, like, I noticed Cardi B did like a silk press for her video on TikTok. This deep conditioner, 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you're not going for a salon quality, you know, protein treatment and stuff, I would recommend this DIY because my blowout was sickening. It was on another level. It went to another planet, y'all. So I'm going to say that this was a pass, and I'm definitely using this deep conditioner recipe. Again, I just bought some more avocados, y'all. Only thing is, don't leave it in the fridge too long. Still avocados, they will get brown on you. So just make sure that you're using it, you know, pretty much the same day that you make it, if not the very next morning and you make it at night, and put it in the fridge because it's fresh and it will spoil. Don't sleep in it because, again,
it's fresh and it will spoil.
I'm watching you, sis. I know who you are. You got tired, your arms hurt, you deep conditioned, and now you done fell asleep watching Grey's Anatomy. Needless to say, shout out Cardi B. Thank you for dropping your hair care tips, sis. Please drop some more on us because we're trying to thrive. I'm trying to pop out this quarantine looking like a whole new bitch. Like, for real, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I'm out here working out. I'm trying. 2020 was a little sprinkle of depression, just sprinkle, you know. The glow up is coming. It's coming. Pretty much ready to trip and fall on a vaccine at this point, if I'm being honest with y'all. Cause I miss people. I'm mildly introverted and I very much miss going out just with my face. I mean, that's for another time. I actually also started a reaction channel, which y'all will be able to see more content. I have to order a capture card. That's the only reason I've been stalling on that, because that's the only way I can make sure everything is locked and loaded for y'all. So stay tuned for that. All right, y'all. Peace out, gang, and I will see you in my next video. Love y'all. Thank you for rocking with me, staying loyal, staying with me through this journey. You know it hasn't been an easy year, so I appreciate y'all being patient and being loving and understanding. But now it's time to give y'all just a touch of that care and that love back. You know what I'm saying? Not a touch. We gonna give you a lot. All right, I love y'all so much. Peace out, gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Comment below what you want to see.